I'm Nicola Harding. My family and friends call me NiX, and I have been obsessed with homemaking for nearly 30 years. Our products are born out of a deep understanding of how we live and how a home fits together. Simple, dependable, beautifully useful, a solid framework for everyday life. All our upholstery is made in England, and our fabrics are woven in the most incredible historic mill. We've got a wonderful network of local UK makers who we have strong relationships with. That's key to our philosophy, developing relationships with workshops that we can get to in a day and work with them hand in glove to devise the best possible way of making something come to be. It was important to me that our upholstery was made in the traditional English way. The frames are solid timber. There's traditional coil springs in the seat, and we have so much faith in them that we are giving them a lifetime guarantee. NiX pieces are intended to be timeless, hard to date and built to last. We want you to be handing them down to your children in years to come.